Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by Money Stocks. Today is Tuesday, April 10th, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, we have a big rally on our hands. It looks like last night you can see how the market took off to the upside, and it's really been going sideways ever since basically 10 o'clock last evening. So the big news is that the Chinese president has said that he will consider lowering tariffs, especially on autos. So again, cars are going to have lower tariffs going into China, and we'll see how that plays out. Right now, futures right at the moment are trading higher by 28.5 points to 26.47 per contract. Let's take a look at the stocks like General Motors. Full and fair disclosure, I do own call options in GM. Stock right now trading at around 38.90. Look at Tesla today. That's the one that is definitely going to be impacted. That stock closed yesterday at $289.66. Now trading at $298. Let's take a look at Ford Motor. That is up nicely, trading up around the 1151 level, closed at 1125. And then you have Fiat Chrysler. That is also catching a pretty good bid, trading at 23.12. This closed at 22.61. So again, it looks like right now the art of the deal is in play. We'll see how it continues, but we are still expecting lots and lots of volatility going forward, but we'll see what today gives us. Yesterday, we did have a good rally that was faded by the closing bell, and today we're getting another pop-up at the start of the open here. So we'll see how this all plays out. We got a good 45 minutes before the opening bell rings at the time of this video. Let's take a look at NVIDIA. Today, NVIDIA is getting, I believe, upgraded by Morgan Stanley. NVDA is a ticker there. Stock closed at $215.41. Now trading at $223.50. So it seems like Morgan Stanley, when they upgrade a stock, these things really pop. They also upgraded, I believe, Seagate to STX is the ticker symbol there, and that's getting a big move as well. Closed at $56.29. That's trading at $58.27. So both of those stocks are in play. We'll look at them once the opening bell rings. I'm not seeing any levels right off the bat that really impress me. So again, we'll see what kind of pattern we get, and we'll take it slow and steady. There was a takeover today, or I believe a buyout for $23 a share on Verifone. Ticker symbol is PAY. You can see that big move yesterday. This is by a private equity firm, so this stock is just going sideways right now. Closed at $15 yesterday, trading at $22.88 at the moment. I believe the takeover is for $23 a share, so we'll keep that on the radar. It looks like Tenneco, TEN, this is auto parts maker, has bought Federal Mogul from Icon Enterprises. So again, this stock's trading at $58.50. Usually when you acquire something, you go down. So I don't see a lot of upside here for Tenneco. Be a little bit on the guarded side with this one. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. Earlier, I did see Boeing on the move. That could be due to the Chinese tariff news. So Boeing right now trading at $330.37. Closed at $322.50. So we'll see how that plays out once the opening bell rings. Palo Alto, which was a stock yesterday that was weak, and now we know why. It looks like they bought out an Israeli security firm. So again, that stock right now trading at $191.44, and we'll see how that shakes out once the opening bell rings. So we got lots of moving parts out here today, but for the most part, the big news is really all about China saying they would consider lowering tariffs on autos, and that's probably the big news of the day, and really giving the auto companies a big bump before the opening bell rings. So again, we'll see how this plays out. Let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. You're going to see gold up just 30 cents at the moment to $1,340.30 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, which is a good ETF to track the movement in gold, that's trading at around 126.78, basically right where it closed yesterday. Looking over at crude oil today, we have crude up another $1, $1.03 at the moment to $64.45 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is good ETF, track the movement in crude oil, you'll see that's trading at $12.99, up from $12.77 at the close yesterday. So that's where we are. And again, if you haven't done so yet, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You could trade right alongside of us. us. Yesterday was a little bit of a quieter day till we got towards the latter part, but we've had a great 2018. We're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the month and ultimately into the end of the year. Volatility is high, which means there is lots of trade action out here. If you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room and trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody have a great session, and we'll see you all on the charts.